about to change these taillights on this 02 Max. You see how they're looking? Ugly. Ugly. I got like 10 of those. Nobody buys them. So I took one pair, paint them black. We'll see how that looks on there. Let's get it. Let's do it. Let's open the damn trunk. Shit. Alright. Oh, let me close that door. That shit's annoying. Alright. You're gonna need a flathead. You can use a flathead, you can use this. And you could use a ratchet or you could use this electric gun. This shit works. Save mad time. Quick and easy. Let's use this. You need 8mm. It's an 8mm socket. 8. Let's start with the passenger side because I'm already here already. Let's start with this. Get the flathead. Take this out first right here. Just put the flathead in there. Pop it out. Pull on it. Just like that. This is in the way. Like that's for the jack. I wish it don't have one. Alright. Another one right here. Forgot about this one. This one right here. Take this out. Like so. Pull this down. Like that. You see 3 bolts. 3 bolts. Not 3, 4 bolts actually. There's one here. One here. One there. One down there. One right here hiding. Pull this off. Can't pull it off. Use this. Pop. Unplug this before we're taking out the tail light. Oh shit! Damn! I think I caught myself. Sheesh! Always happens. Take the 8mm socket. Off. Okay. We're gonna speed up the process because this takes some time. Now, this has some type of glue here, some type of seal so it don't leak. Water can't go through it. So you're gonna have to push on it. It's tight. It's tough on there. Push on it. Push. If you can't push it, use your flathead and push from here. See? I use the reverse side. Put in this metal. Push. See? So I'm talking about shit. Tough. Okay. Back here in this bolt. Push. Slowly coming out. Use the top one. Okay. Coming out. Okay. Let's push some like that. Push like that. Now I'll take it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Woo. Sheesh. If you want, you could put another reseal on here, but you don't have to because there's enough on here. Probably use that one. Let's grab the other tail light. Woo-wee! Look at that. Should look good already. Alright, line up the holes. Yeah. Woo! Look at that. Damn. Sheesh. Uh-huh. Alright. Put these bolts on. Okay. Bolts on. These bolts. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh fuck. One job. One job. One job. One job. One job.
That's on. That's on.
Alright, plug this in. If your other taillight have any custom bulbs or whatever, just swap them over here. this one don't have one, so I'm gonna have to throw one in there. So just check your bulbs, make sure there's any bulbs in there. I'm gonna put that on later. None of them have it, so put that on later. Swap it from here. Swap it over. Alright, let's tighten this up. Alright, put this back here. Like that. Just tight. Alright, get this over here. Get your clips. On here. Should fit in there. Push it in. Okay. There's another one. Yeah. Goes here. Okay, line up the hole. You can line up the hole. Okay, man. Yeah. I think y'all could handle the other side, so I'm not gonna put a video on it. Yeah, I'm gonna just do it, so see how it comes out. All right, we all done. Look at that. Look at that. Big difference. Look at that shit. Black on black. Looks way better than that clear shit. That bogus, ugly, clear, stock shit, man. Stop being basic. Cause look at this. Look at that. All right. If you have any questions, comment below or hit me on Instagram. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I got more coming. Way more. A lot more coming. Look at that car. Look at that. Oh shit, I can't.